Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arcelo, known as the Ultimate Gardener. My goal in the garden industry is to help you guys become ultimate gardeners and help you guys teach others on how to become one. So in today's exciting sprouting video, like it's winter, temperatures are starting to drop, even though they don't drop that much. I know Floridians are too crazy because they say 57 is cold, but for us, we're adjusted that it's cold, but for others, it's technically still summer. But cool temperatures, we're coming into fall, we're coming into winter too. Christmas is around the corner, Thanksgiving's around the corner, and when we think of that, we think of cool veggies. I know I'm not the strongest in vegetable production, and I haven't been since my years of doing the YouTube. I haven't done a lot of vegetable gardening, I haven't done a lot of vegetable videos, but that's gonna change right now because we're gonna be doing a whole bunch of vegetables videos coming around because it's winter and fall, and we focus on vegetables this time around. I know for other zones, you guys might be getting a little bit of, confused because here in Florida, it's like, what, 70 something today, and so veggies are able to grow right now, like peppers, cabbages, cauliflowers, brassicas, peas, anything that grows as vegetables can grow now here in Florida because our temperatures are starting to be more adjustable for vegetables. And so I have a little product down here that I'm gonna go ahead and use for today's video. I've used it before for vegetable production, didn't get any harvest from it yet, but that's gonna change today. So if you want to know the product, you want to know the company, you want to know what we're gonna be doing today, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardeners, here we have it. As you guys see, this looks pretty familiar to you guys because this is actually a Smart Pots product. We partnered with them before in the past, and we're partnering again this time around because I haven't used this at all these past few seasons, and so I have to put it to work some way, somehow. So this is actually one of their raised beds that they provide. I think this is the junior raised bed. I'll be popping up a photo up on the screen for you guys so you can see the packaging it is or what I received. Also, I'm gonna be putting a link where you guys can get this down below, as well as Smart Pots media links. Everywhere you can find them, you'll be able to find them down below. And so I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about what we're planting in this. So as you guys see, I have a tomato cage, but we're using a tomato cage for a little support system for our snow peas. So here I have mammoth melting snow peas that I started from seed. Aren't you guys proud of me? I am like super stoked to see I actually grew something from seed because I am terrible at starting seeds. And so seeing something like this, it's very promising. And these seeds I got from High Mowing Organic Seeds. They actually sent me a whole bunch for me to trial last year, I believe. And I had a whole bunch left over, so I went bananas starting a whole bunch of vegetable seeds. And so we have a few vegetables videos coming your way. So if you're a huge grow your own food person, stick around. So let me go ahead and position the camera where you guys will be able to see the entire perspective of it and the support system and what I'm gonna do to plant them and what I'm gonna do to fertilize them. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So here you go. I brought the camera up a bit closer so I could go ahead and show you guys. So here it is. So here I have the tag, which this is the initials for it. So I'm gonna just stick the tag there so I can remember what type of variety this is. So as you can see here is a sweet pea plant. You can already see the tendrils growing on it so it can grow a support system. So first things first, I have a few sweet peas on the support systems of the tomato plant, and some of them are going to be left freely like so. And so the first thing you want to go ahead and do is move the taller plants to where the empty space is or where there's not a beam support. So like this is a bigger plant, this would be moved here, and like this is a smaller plant, it would be moved here. So it could go ahead and grab onto this one as soon as possible, and like this one's already growing upwards. It should be in no time until it finds the tomato cage and actually grows. So the same thing goes with here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. So let's see, so this is a pretty tall one. We're gonna go ahead and move it right there, move the small one right there, and looks like we have everything in place already. I already like sort of placed everything in where it was supposed to be. So there it is. So now you can see the soil. So I used an cow manure compost from Timberline. I love this product because it does great for me. I don't know about other people, but I love Timberline products. They're cheaper priced, but they do amazing for me. That's the product they're actually in right now. But if I go ahead and show you guys, you can see the pea plant, and then you can see a pea pellet, and then the seed, as recommended from Callie Kim, as well as recommended from me. I've done this for a while, but I've learned it from Callie Kim, so kudos to her. Starting your seeds in pea pellets is way more easier than starting them from here, but you could always direct sow them if you would want to. So like this pea is closer to the camera, I'm gonna go ahead and do with it. So here's the rim of the tomato cage, so you don't want to plant where that is. So you go ahead and go like that, make your little hole right so. And then you're gonna go ahead and plant and gently take it out of its container because it's still a baby plant. You could already see roots on it, but you know, you want to still be gentle. So you're gonna go ahead and do that. Plant it like so. And then topsoil, once again, pat it down for no air bubbles. And you're done. Until you start seeing the sweet peas actually doing it, I would recommend having a little bit of space from the tomato cage from this, because you don't want the air circulation to be blocked. So you want to go ahead and prevent any air circulation to be blocked. So you want to go ahead and give some space in between each and every single one of them, so no diseases, any plague, or any fungi could actually cause these plants to die. So let me go ahead and plant all of these, and then we're going to go ahead and talk about what I'm going to do to care for them and the fertilizing. So ultimate gardeners, the snow peas have been planted, and I'm super thrilled to be getting my hands on the dirt and actually doing some gardening work, because over the past few weeks and maybe the past few months, I've been so focused on getting the structure of this garden completed, and so now actually having some of my own food growing here, it's pretty darn exciting. And so I can't wait to see when these grow and actually give me peas, because I can't wait to do my very first organic harvest for you guys. It's gonna be exciting. So I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about the care guide I'm gonna go ahead and do towards these baby plants, because they're still not fully matured yet, and so you do want to be careful with them. So first things first, you want to go ahead and, for here in Florida, like our sun is a killer sun, we go ahead and tuck them away in a partial shaded area. And here is a partial shaded area because our neighbors have huge banana trees and they give dappled sunlight here and there. And so placing this underneath these banana trees is a great idea. So I'm super thrilled. Second thing, you want to go ahead and be careful on watering, because when a baby seedling is actually growing or starting to grow, they are very vulnerable to actually go ahead and damp off, which is a process in which you water them too much and then there's a whole bunch of humidity around it, and so it actually ends up rotting in a way, the stem, and it's no longer a good or actually a workable plant. Number 3 is fertilizing, which I'm very excited about, because Smart Pots is actually one of those great companies I love to partner with. But when it comes to fertilizer, Vermisterra is one I recommend. This is the Vitality Worm Tea that they went ahead and sent me. This is an amazing product. As you can see, I already used it for some of my plants. And yes, I do use all my products before promoting them, because I don't want to give false information to my viewers. But Vermisterra is one to use. They actually are a great company that uses all organic products in the garden, and they are especially good for food production because no chemicals or any pesticides are used when it comes to fertilizing. And so having an all organic worm tea is an amazing product to fertilize your seedlings with. And so the thing you want to do is you want to get a little tiny portion of this. So here you want to shake well before using it, so all the amendments could actually be used in it. And you want to use 2 ounces per gallon of water, because you don't want to use too much of this because it could shock the baby plant and it could end up killing it, and you don't want that to happen. So for every gallon, 2 ounces would do amazing. So you want to go ahead and soak the water goodly so it could go ahead and penetrate into the soil and fertilize your baby roots automatically and give them a boost in energy automatically. So that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. I'm definitely going to give you guys updates here and there, so please stay tuned with us. So let's go ahead and wrap it up for you guys. So Ultimate Gardeners, once again, a huge shout out to Smart Pots and the Vermisterra company for partnering with us in this video. This is a huge, great collaboration because Vermisterra and Smart Pots are well known to be together in a collaboration. And so I'm super thrilled to work with each and every single one of them. And yes, I do have another collaboration coming out with Vermisterra, so please stay tuned with that. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.